Most common road traffic incidents involving commercial vehicles are minor collisions. Those involve hitting an immobile object whilst maneuvering or hitting other vehicles where the damage is relatively small, although it is never cheap to get it fixed. Companies often find that repairs are very costly, and that is often eating into their profit margin. In my experience, there are three common factors that come to play when investigating these small or minor incidents. First one is driving being under pressure, so that may be from waiting cars, that may be from pressures of making all the deliveries in time, there may be some personal issues, they may be making some irrational decisions that they would not normally make. Second one is rushing, so speeding, not doing proper risk assessments, which leads to taking much higher risk than it should be. Third one is making incorrect assumptions. So sometimes drivers are not 100% sure that they will clear an object. They are 99.9% sure, and they proceed, and obviously most of the time they will be okay, but some of the times they will hit and make some damage. So obviously securing the vehicle, putting the handbrake on and getting out, checking if the vehicle is going to clear is a very good idea, especially if you drive large vehicles like heavy goods vehicles or heavier vans where you cannot see everything and you've got some blind spots. That normally saves company a lot of money and proves to be give the driver very good accident record. If this was helpful, please give us a like and subscribe. My name is Roman. This is a Fleet Planner Compliance video.